how to clear your lungs. Ingredients: ginger, water, turmeric, cinnamon. 1. Ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in the lungs caused by smoking. It may also have expectorant properties, which could assist in loosening mucus and promoting its expulsion from the respiratory system. 2. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It may help reduce inflammation in the lungs and protect against oxidative stress caused by smoking. However, it's important to note that the absorption of curcumin can be enhanced when consumed with black pepper or paired with healthy fats. 3. Cinnamon. Cinnamon has been used traditionally for respiratory conditions. It may have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that could support lung health.